Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your PlayStation account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Sign in with your account credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security option to access your security settings. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to select a verification method, such as using a mobile app or receiving SMS codes. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your preferred verification method, confirm the changes. Make sure to save your settings to ensure that two-factor authentication is activated. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your PlayStation account with two-factor authentication. Stay safe while gaming.